Shandong Bunma Engineering Machinery Company Limited is a comprehensive enterprise headquartered in High-Tech Industrial Development Zone, Jining City, Shandong Province, China. The company has a professional team to provide customers with the fastest and highest quality products. Our professional after-sales service personnel meet customer needs in a timely manner, while our sales team is available 24 hours and 7 days to assist all customers. Our product range includes road machinery, such as road rollers, light towers, and hydraulic power units. We work with the Storig factory to continuously upgrade our products to ensure they meet EU emission standards. It is worth mentioning that the company's products have obtained CE certificates and patents and won the Design Red Star Award. The company's production adheres to the concept of lean to ensure strong flexibility and adaptability to meet the needs of different customers. Our factory has modern processing equipment, including CNC lathes, sawing machines, electric welding machines, gantry cranes, and so on. Since its establishment in 2014, we have been committed to advanced technology, strict quality management, excellent products, and high-quality services, and have won the trust and praise of customers at home and abroad. We warmly welcome friends from all over the world to visit us and explore the possibility of cooperation, provide greater value to global partners.